Hi folks, Renee Royal, the Royal Simons Group at Keller Williams, Columbia. Spring feels like it's finally here, and today's been a beautiful day, and tomorrow, Saturday, April the 14th, is supposed to be equally as beautiful. We're hosting an open house here at 336 Pinnacle Ridge Drive, which is in the Pinnacle Ridge community at Lake Carolina. If you're not familiar with Lake Carolina, it's Columbia's only 10-time winner of Community of the Year. We'll have an experienced agent on site who's been a Lake Carolina resident for 11 years, so she can tell you all about the community and all about the house. So please come by. There's information below this video link, and we'll hope you'll come by and check it out. Tomorrow, Saturday, April the 14th, from noon until 3. Thank you.
When results matter, knowledge and experience count. The Royal Simons Group, a team of specialists focusing on your goals. Call today and let's get moving.